Hello, 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 guys. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much for commenting. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Today is a beautiful Monday. It's a beautiful Monday. Hope you have a great day. Those who are working, hope you had a great day today. Those who are traveling, safe journey. And those who are at home, take care, guys. I love you so much. Yeah, it's a hot Monday today. It's sunny this side, and I love it. It has been raining for some days now, but today at least it's a sunny Monday. We thank God for that. Thank you guys for watching. Keep on subscribing. Support support me, guys. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for those who are watching my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Guys, sometimes I think, with this life that God gave us, we need to be independent. We need to try to be independent, and we need to try to find a way to live, because cost of living is very high, and we have kids, we have bills to take care of. So I think in this world we have to find something to be independent. Let's grow, guys. Let's grow together. If you have any advice that you can give me, you can give me, guys. I'm going to find a new camera, because this one that I'm using, sometimes it gives me problems, but soon I'll get another one. Soon I'll get another one. I was just taking a walk to the garden to freshen up my mind. I'm on lunchtime, guys, so I'm just showing you the gardens. The gardens where I'm working, there's a beautiful garden. You can sleep and you can read your books. There are beautiful gardens and beautiful trees around this company. So beautiful. I love taking a walk for lunch. After I ate my food, I just take a walk and listen to the birds. Yeah, some of the trees, they make me dark. They say black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. Ish. Yeah, guys. Ish. What can I do? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much. Keep on subscribing to my channel. Please support me. Thank you so much. Is your girl Mel signing out. See you in the next one. Bye.